Hello! Today I'm going to walk you through our new round-robin team scheduling feature. This allows our AI voice assistant to automatically distribute appointments among team members, fairly using Cal.com's round-robin system. Let's start with a brief introduction to Cal.com. Here we are in the Cal.com's dashboard. The first thing we need to do is create an API key. You can do this by going to the Settings tab, then Developers, and selecting API keys. Once the API key is generated, we will be able to create our team from the Teams tab. We will create our team here and add our team members. The next step is to create an event type. As you can see, we have 3 event types. In our use case, a healthcare medical center, we have quick checkup, general consultation, and detailed checkup. We will assign team members to each specific event type accordingly. Next, we go to Call Agent AI. We select our assistant and start by reviewing the prompt. After the greeting, I have provided the event IDs so that the agent can easily select the correct event ID based on the customer's requirements. Now we will go to the settings. In the real-time booking section, we will paste our generated Call.com's API key and save it. Then we scroll down to the team calendar settings and enable it. Once enabled, we will see additional options. Here we select our team and choose round robin, equal distribution. We then select the event type. In this example, we select General Consultation, define the condition, and we can see the assigned team members listed here. We can also add another event type by clicking the plus button. We select a different event type, add the condition, and then see the corresponding team members for that event type. For the third event type, we follow the same process and see the team members assigned to it. Next, we scroll down and enable Notify Customer by email and Notify Customer by SMS. This step is optional. We will then be able to see the booking data in the Context and Booking section in Zoho CRM. At this point, our agent is ready for testing. When we test the agent, it will ask for basic details such as your full name, email address, and phone number. Make sure this information is entered correctly so you receive the SMS and email notifications. We can also make small changes to the SMS and email content if needed. Finally, you can view all bookings in the Bookings tab in the Cal.com's dashboard. Thanks for watching.